If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on your Squarespace domain, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check domain status. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Domains section. Ensure that the domain is indeed listed as transfer pending and note any error messages or notifications. Step 2. Verify authorization code. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Confirm domain lock status. Ensure that the domain is unlocked at the previous registrar. A locked domain cannot be transferred, so log into your old registrar's account and disable any domain lock settings. Step 4. Review email notifications. Check your email for any messages from Squarespace or your previous registrar regarding the transfer. You may need to respond to a confirmation email or resolve any issues mentioned. Step 5. Contact support. If the transfer is still pending after completing the previous steps, reach out to Squarespace support for assistance. Provide them with all relevant information, including the domain name and any error messages you received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on Squarespace. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further support.